Hello, friends and valued dealers. Phil Collins here with ResellStock.com. And today I want to do a brief tutorial of our new custom load builder feature. This is a fantastic new feature that allows our customers to custom build loads with the exact breakdown that fits their needs. And so without any further ado, I will go ahead and jump right in here. I went ahead and got logged into the website. So you'll see up at the top, we have all of our suppliers listed along with their localities. And then the load builder that we'll be reviewing today is for M. Lilly products out of their Andersonville, Tennessee plant. Go there. And then we'll go ahead and click into the load builder page itself. All right. Now, once we're on this page, you'll be able to see the unit photos and pictures at the top. You can scroll through these using the arrows on your keyboard, or you can click the thumbnails along the bottom as well. All right, some nice looking stuff. And then we'll go ahead and scroll down. And this is where the magic really starts to happen. So along the top here, you'll see these different tabs. These are all indicative of the different SKUs that are available to build or load. For this load builder, we have 3 different models of flippable hybrids in every size, as well as 12-inch foam units and 14-inch foam units. And then we've also got some adjustable bases in here as well. So to skip through the different SKUs, there's 2 different ways to do that. You can either click along the top, and you can jump ahead if you like. Or if you'd like to go SKU by SKU, you can scroll down, and you can use these links at the bottom. All right. Under each of these tabs, you'll be able to see the unit description, along with the price and the total amount that are in stock. And now we're ready to start building our load. So let's say on these are the King hybrids, 14-inch hybrids with medium on each side. There's 2,500 of them in stock. It's a pretty good price there. Let's go ahead and get 10 of those. And then let's jump ahead to some 12-inch foams. And don't worry about over ordering. The system will automatically default back to the maximum amount. So say for this one, there's less than 1,600 in stock. So if I were to enter 1,600, it will automatically default back to the maximum amount that's in stock right there. So don't worry about that. So for King 12-inch foams, let's do 10 of those. And let's get some 14-inch foams in Queen as well. Do 5 of those. And we'll get some King 14-inch foams. 5 of those. And then let's add some adjustables. So king size adjustables. Let's add 2 of those. And then we'll add some twin extra long adjustables to split the kings. We'll get 4 of those. All right. Once you've finished adding everything to your load that you want, you can click on Review and Purchase. And this is a last-minute opportunity to go through and view any of the SKUs that you might have wanted to add in but haven't done so yet. The ones you're really going to want to pay attention to on this page are the ones with updated quantities as well as line item totals. So that's going to be this one here, this here, and so on. Once everything looks good, you can add it to your cart. And then we're going to view our cart. Perfect. All right, so here we're going to see the master product, which is the load itself, and the breakdown of what's in the load. If you wanted to update these at any time, you can. This is a great chance to do that. So if you wanted to upgrade your King 14-inch foams, so we'll go to 10 of those and say, let's take away from the 12-inch foams. We'll take that down to 5. And then we can update our cart. And it'll update our subtotal as well. On this page, you can also enter any coupon codes that you have. And for those of you watching, this that I just entered is a live code, so feel free to use this. We'll click Apply Coupon. We'll get that discount. All right, as far as shipping goes, there's two different options. We are happy to provide shipping quotes for you. We can do either full truckload or LTL loads. And if that's the case, you would just check that and then click on the Submit Request button. Looks like that went through. Or if you'd like to arrange your own shipping, you are more than welcome to do that as well. And then we'll click Proceed to Checkout. Right on here, you'll be able to enter in all of your shipping details and billing details. If you'd like to ship to a different address than the billing address that's on file, you're welcome to do that. Otherwise, just uncheck this box to ship to the default address on file, and then enter any notes on your order if you'd like. And then we'll click Proceed to Payment, review our order details. And looks good. And then for payment options, we can accept a credit card for a 3% fee, or if you'd like to just pay by wire or direct transfer, you're welcome to do that as well. If you select this option, on the next page, our banking details will be displayed, and you'll also receive a copy of those details to the address on file, email address on file. And I'll show you what that looks like. All right. So now again, it's going to show us our details. And as I mentioned before, the wiring information will display here. Another review of your order. And that is everything. All right, folks. Well, I hope this tutorial is helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop those below. Again, this is Phil with ResellStock.com, and we look forward to serving you.